Have you ever stood at the checkout line, silently praying your card won't decline? You've done the math, you think you have enough, but a part of you isn't sure. So you hold your breath, swipe the card, and hope for the best. That silent stress, that's what living without a plan feels like. You're not lazy, you're not bad with money, you're just playing a game without a scoreboard. But here's the truth, you can control your money without making more of it. You just need a system that keeps you honest and in charge. That's where the cash envelope budgeting method comes in. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, step by step. Whether you're drowning in overdraft fees, trying to stop impulse spending, or just need a better way to manage your budget, this guide is for you. Let's start simple, cash envelope. Budgeting is a zero-based money system where you use physical cash for your spending divided into specific categories. Each category gets its own envelope, each envelope has a limit, and when it's gone, that's it. Sounds old school, right? But that's the point, because using cash makes you feel the money leaving your hands. Swiping a card, that's abstract. Handing over two $20 bills, that's real. And that emotional connection? It's exactly what makes this method work. Studies show we spend up to 83% more when using cards over cash. That latte, the Amazon cart, that quick lunch, they add up faster than we notice. But with envelopes, every dollar has a job. You know exactly where your money is going. And for the first time, you're in control. Let me tell you about Melissa. She was 29, single mom, 2 kids, working full-time and somehow always broke. Her paycheck would land Friday and by Monday, gone. Groceries, gas, takeout, school stuff. She never felt like she had enough. Then she tried the cash envelope method. Week 1, she hated it. The envelopes felt awkward. She forgot them. She felt silly. But week 2, she noticed something strange. She was thinking before spending. She was aware of every purchase. She felt powerful, even with less money. 6 months later, she had $2,000 saved. No credit cards, no panic, just intention. That's what this method gives you, control without complexity. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Start with a realistic budget. First things first, you need a clear budget. Here's what to write down. Your monthly take-home pay after taxes, your fixed expenses, rent, utilities, car payment, insurance. What's left over after that? That's your envelope money. Don't lie to yourself. Be real. Overestimate expenses. Round up. You want your budget to reflect your real life, not your ideal one. Example. Income, $3,000. Rent, $1,200. Utilities, $150. Car, $300. Insurance, $150. Left for envelopes, $1,200. Step 2. Pick your categories. Next, decide where that $1,200 will go. Here are some common envelope categories: groceries, gas, transportation, dining out, entertainment, clothing, fun money, household supplies, personal care, kids' needs, pets, miscellaneous. Don't overdo it. Start with 5-7 main envelopes. You can adjust later. Step 3, set limits and stick to them. Now assign amounts to each envelope based on your needs. Example, groceries, $400, gas, $150, fun, $100, dining out, $150, household, $100, kids, $100, other, $200. This gives every dollar a purpose. And here's the key. Once the envelope is empty, you stop spending. It might sound rigid, but it actually gives you freedom because it removes guilt and second guessing. Can I afford this? Let's check the envelope. Simple. If this is starting to click, hit that like button and subscribe, because we're just getting started. We've got more breakdowns coming, saving hacks, debt strategies, real stories, and all the tools to help you win with money. Step 4. The actual cash withdrawal. At the start of each pay period, go to the bank. Withdraw the total envelope amount in cash, then divide it into your envelopes. Yes, real cash. Yes, actual envelopes. You'll feel old school. You'll also feel in control. Optional. Use zipper pouches, accordion files, or color-coded binders. Make it fun. Make it yours. Just don't overcomplicate it. Step 5. Bring your envelopes everywhere. Make it easy to follow the system. Keep envelopes with you or carry a few at a time in a wallet. Going to the grocery store? Bring that envelope. Going out to eat? Bring your dining envelope. You can split envelopes by week if you're worried about running out early. Some people use digital envelopes too. Apps like Cube, Good Budget, or even a second debit card account with sub-budgets. But physical cash has one huge advantage. You can't overspend. Step 6. Handle the what-ifs. What if you forget your envelope, then you don't buy? Or you wait? What if you run out of grocery money? You get creative. Use what's in the pantry. Eat simpler meals. These limits actually train you to be resourceful. The envelope method creates healthy friction, the kind that builds better habits. Step 7. Review and reset weekly. Every week take 5 minutes, open your envelopes, check what's left, reflect on where the money went. Did you overspend? Underspend? Forget a category? This isn't about perfection, it's about awareness. Every reset is a chance to adjust and improve. Jordan was $18,000 in credit card debt. He made okay money, but always felt like he was treading water. He heard about the cash envelope method, thought it was stupid, but gave it 30 days. Here's what happened. Month 1. He cut his dining out from $450 to $120. Month 2. Paid an extra $600 on his credit cards. Month 6. He had a rhythm, momentum, confidence. 2 years later, debt-free, emergency fund built, first vacation in 5 years, paid in cash. It started with envelopes, and a decision to take control. Start slow. Don't try to fix everything in 1 month, have a buffer. Keep a small emergency envelope or sinking fund. Give yourself grace. If you overspend, regroup, don't quit. Celebrate wins. Every saved dollar is a step closer to freedom. Involve your partner or your kids. Make it a team sport. Want to go digital? Use cash envelope apps. Cube Money, Good Budget, or simple bank sub-accounts labeled by category. The key is keeping visibility. You want to see your limits in real time, but be careful. Digital envelopes don't stop you from spending. Cash still wins for behavior change. Here's the truth no one teaches in school. Money is emotional. We don't just need math, we need meaning. We need something we can see, touch, and understand. The cash envelope budgeting system does exactly that. It brings clarity, it builds confidence, and it gives you freedom. One envelope at a time. So if you're tired of guessing at the store, overdraft fees, credit card guilt, then this is your invitation to take back control. What category will you start with this week? Groceries, dining out, fun money? Drop it in the comments and make it real. Subscribe if you're ready to make money simple again. And remember, you don't need more income to win. You need more intention. Your money is waiting for a leader. Let it be you. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult with a certified financial advisor for personalized guidance.